Oh, I like this bird so much. The ones that go beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop. I think they're so cute. I've never heard it anywhere else. It's just here in Switzerland. You know which
Which bird?
ones?
No.
They're called the great tits.
The what?
The great tits. I have an
Are you
app.
sure?
Yeah.
The great tits.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have an app that recognizes the which exit now?
Second one.
Okay, second. Oh my god.
An app that recognizes
The bird
those
sounds.
bird
Yeah,
sounds.
and then
Okay.
tells you which bird it is.
Okay.
And when I recorded this great tit, and it told me that it was a great tit. That's why I know. And it's since then my favorite bird.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting topic for a driving lesson. Okay. Next turn, right, please.